Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy, and this is the third video in jQuery e-commerce application. So in the second video that we had seen that we are updating quantity. When you click on add to cart again and again, we keep on updating the quantity, but now we are not showing anywhere, so we have to show somewhere how much quantity we added to cart and what is the total price, right? So for that, here we are in the between cart and so delete icon, we are showing how much quantity and what is the total value. So for this also I'm gonna creating one more function. So function and function name total cart value. Okay, so I'm not passing any parameters here. So now what I was doing, so I have a class I was added a class in the navigation bar cart value, right? So I'm taking this one, this is id, sorry, it's not a class. So cart value, so first I was making cart value as a empty, so first empty. So while loading it, first I'm making them empty. After that I'm defining few variables now. So total quantity is 0 and total amount 0, and now I'm taking the items from local storage. So where items json.parse local storage dot get item make easy. So now we got all the items from local storage, right? Now I just looping through my new hash. So items, cart items dot each and dot each items this item I given, right? So give items, so comma function, so this key value pair, right? So I'm passing I comma val. So now what I'm doing over here, so total quantity already we have 0 I given, so we are incrementing that is with so value of quantity. So what is the value? In the sense, value is in hash which having, this is the hash value, it having a price and quantity. So total quantity is 0, I'm incrementing, I'm just adding value dot quantity to that one. So on total amount, so total amount equals to, so first value of price, right? Value of price into value of quantity, right? We have to calculate price into quantity, but here so we should need to parse to float this, right? So parse float, but now one value is came, right? So for example 10 into 1 10 into 2 20, so we have to add that to total amount. So we should add total amount, right, for all the products. So the loop we have to add that. So now we just we click console.log of total quantity, console.log total amount. Let's see, we'll see what we'll get in the output over here. I refresh it. If I do inspect, if I go console, so it was not showing anything. Let's see in application first. Do we have a few products already there? So it's not showing. So why it is not showing? In the sense, we are not calling this function anywhere. So first we have to call this function somewhere. So we have to call this after adding a cart. No, we have to add this function over here. Yes. Now if I refresh it, Now if you refresh it, if you go console, you can see this one item is there and 78.95. Let's go check in local storage. Yeah, only one item. Now if I increment one more quantity and I adding one more product, if I go console, if I refresh it, total products 3 and total amount is 1358. So now this value have to be display here, right? So for that already I given a value, I given a cart value, right? So now what I'll do, I just append that there. I'll removing these two consoles and I'm taking that id cart value dot append. So I used to append now total quantity, right? So space and a dollar for amount, so plus total amount. That's it. I'm going to refresh this one now. Yes, now it is added over there, but we need to make it to be fixed only 2 characters. C is like a more than 10 to store character, right? So we need to fix it to 2 characters. So for that I was making 2 fixed to 2 fixed 2. So I should add it over here. So after this 2 fixed 2, yes, 2 fixed of 2. I'm refreshing this one. Yeah, now it's taking only 2 characters. So if you click on it, you are going to now cart page. In this next video that we are completely building cart page. Thank you guys and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to Make Easy for more videos. Thank you.